Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Shreya. Welcome to yet another episode of monthly beauty haul video. This month's beauty haul video is coming a little earlier than usual is because I have planned on putting out a lot of content during the start of July month, and that is why I have planned on putting out this as well. Now without wasting any minute, let's see what I got from beauty section of Amazon. Starting off this haul with a product that has been such a hype lately. The one that I'm talking about is by Nutriderm. It's their moisturizing lotion with vitamin E, and this is how it looks like. I wanted to have my own take on this product, and that is why I went ahead and purchased this. Now I've used this twice or thrice right now, and I know that skincare mein koi first impressions bol ke hota nahi hai, but one thing that was common in all those three times, and it was persistently there, was after application of this moisturizer, my face felt a little matte, and I was sweating like crazy. So makeup application on top of this was so difficult because I was sweating, and it was such an uncomfortable feeling. But again, I need to play around a little more with this to form a more definitive opinion. So I'll just show you the consistency and everything. This is how it looks like, and it just blends in very easily, very effortlessly. But again, this makes me sweat, and that's the only first impression that I'm gonna give you. Other than that, I will let you know if this is working out great for me or if it is not working out for me. And again, skincare is subjective. Something that might work for me might not work for you. So yeah, moving on. The next two purchases from a brand that I'm seeing coming up on my feed lately. The one that I'm talking about is by Deconstruct. New day, new skincare. One of them is pore control serum, the other one is breakout control serum, and I am the breakout queen, so who better to try this. Anyhow, this is how the outer packaging looks like, and this is how it looks like from inside. This is a normal dropper packaging. I haven't tried these out. I am yet to try it. I will definitely put up a review if you would want to, or I would update you some way or the other. So do follow me on my social media. I update a lot of things on my stories and my feed as well. So my next purchase has launched a while back. It's from Nivea. It's their newly launched range, which is Naturally Good. It's their roll-on deodorant, and this is how it looks like. The variant is green tea. Why I purchased this was due to the unique consistency that this has. I don't know if the camera, yes, you can see how liquidy this looks like. Also, I use a roll-on a regular basis, and I finish it off quite often. So I've just restocked on this one. I am yet to try this. I am excited just because of the consistency. Let's see how this works. My haul videos are incomplete without nail paint purchases. That is why my next two purchase is nail paints. Now this time I've tried two separate brands just to see how they perform. The first one is by Seri, if I'm not wrong, that's how it's pronounced, I don't know. And this is in the shade lavender, and this is how it looks like. Now this is such a nice purpley lavender sort of a shade, and I'm yet to try this. This is how it looks like. The color is amazing. And the next one is again a new brand. This is Debel, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, it's their gel nail lacquer, and it's in the shade Cocoa Bean. Another nude nail paint. I am obsessed with nude lipsticks, nude nail paints, and I'm just adding on to my collection, and I'm yet to try this. Excited. I'll update you if this is as good as I think it is. Next thing that I purchased is something that you all have requested me. Like, I've got tons of messages to review these, to swatch this, and your wish, I have to do it. The one that I'm talking about is by Mars. It's their non-transfer butter sticks, and I've got 6 shades from them. I will do a swatch video either this week or start of next week, so stay tuned for that. Now I have swatched this. I have used it once, and I am blown away. Like, my first impression for this one, I just want to show you one thing about this. This swatches, it's just like a buttery consistency while swatching. And just wait for 30 seconds, 30 to 40 seconds. This is literally a liquid lipstick in a bullet form. It is so creamy and buttery, and who would know that it would completely set into a matte finish. I am so impressed. I want to get more shades, and I can't wait. So yeah, stay tuned for swatches and everything. The next thing that I got is a shaving foam, but this time it's not from Gillette, it's from Let's Shave, and this is how the box looks like. I mean, the packaging is quite premium. I loved that they have provided a package, like separate sort of a box for it. When you open this, you get a note sort of a thing right here, and here is the actual product. This is how it looks like. I haven't tried this out. I love the Gillette one. I think I've told you all as well, but let's see how this performs. I am not going to purchase the same brand because the more I try, the more I can share my opinion with you all. So that is why I'll use this and I'll tell you all how this has performed. Due to the hot and humid weather, a few of my bullet lipsticks have broken, and unfortunately those were the shades that I absolutely loved, and since I cannot use them, that is why I have purchased a lip brush so that I can make use out of it. The one that I have got is by Colorbar, and this is how it looks like. It's a square shaped, very thin brush. You can easily precisely draw your lines and everything. That is why I purchased this. Plus Colorbar brushes are great, so if you are looking for a lip brush, you can give this a try. This is really nice. My last purchase is a Shreya Jain recommendation. She had recommended the Juicy Chemistry's Blood Orange and Rosehip lip balm, and I had got that and I absolutely loved it. That is why I went ahead and tried another lip product that she had recommended. This is by Indulgio. It's their lip oil. The packaging looks very premium. This is how the product comes out, and it's a pen sort of a thingy. This is where the oil is, and you just need to twist it and the product comes out from this brush. I'll just swatch it for you all. This is how it looks like. Again, I haven't tried this. The smell is not that great, honestly. I mean, at least not soothing for me, but if it does good for my lips and everything, I'm up for it. With that, we come to an end to this monthly beauty haul video for the month of July. The fashion video will be up this week itself, so stay tuned. And yeah, if you did like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, comment down below with any video requests or anything in general. I love reading your comments, and yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care.